Hi, it's Mr. Pham, and today I'm going to show you how to log on to your ThinkCentral platform. To log in properly, you want to make sure that under Country, you have the United States listed here. Under State, click the toggle button, and if you have a keyboard in front of you, you can just type in C. It'll take you immediately to California. Then hit the Tab key. Go to the next area, which is District. Hit the toggle again, type in H, and it'll immediately take you to Hacienda La Puente, USD. Click the Tab key again, and under School, type in S. It'll take you to Sierra Vista at first, and if you hit it a second time, it'll take you to Sparks Elementary. Now hit the Tab key. Make sure you check the Remember My School area here, so that way next time you'll be able to log in a much timely manner. Under username, you're going to use your typical username with the email hlpnet.net. Your password would be abc12345. Once you have logged in, you should see this dashboard appear. We have things to do. This is where you access all the assignment that was given to you. Your library is a bank of resources that you can use that can help you with specific lesson concept that you didn't quite understand. And under My Score, you should be able to view all homework assignments, lesson assignments, activities, and also tests that was given to you at any time on ThinkCentral. So let's go to Things to Do. When you click on Things to Do, you should see a list of things that were assigned to you by your teacher, along with the due dates that was given for these particular assignment. Let's go to Library. Under Library, we have several neat features. There's Interactive Student Edition. This is an online interactive tutorial on all the concept that's taught in the classroom. So let me click on this link to show you. We have chapter 1 all the way to chapter 11, which encompasses all the chapters in our book, along with specific lesson for each chapter. So let's say I had trouble with chapter 1.2. You can click on this link here, and an interactive tutorial would pop up with animation and interactivity, model lessons, on how to complete that particular concept. Okay, I'm going to close this here. Next thing I wanted to show you was there's an area. Let's say you forgot your practice book in the classroom, or you were absent, you couldn't tear out the page, you didn't have the page. So you can click on Practice Book SE Grade 5 G5. This would open up your ebook, and if you have a printer at home, you can print the homework page at home or anywhere where you can access the internet and a printer. So if you click on chapter 1, your entire practice book for chapter 1 would be given on this page, PDF file. You can simply download and print the pages from the online platform. That's all I wanted to review with you today. Thank you and have a nice day.